Automotive wiper blades are very important for visibility and overall safety, but unfortunately their maintenance is often overlooked. In this video we'll talk about when you can fix your wipers, how to do it, and how to keep them working at their best. Wiper blade life cycle. The life of a wiper blade usually goes through these three stages. Stage 1. New wipers are soft, slippery, and the blade edge is smooth and even. Stage 2. Over time, the blades lose slipperiness and may start squeaking. They are still fairly soft and the edge is still in good shape. This is the best time for maintenance. Stage 3. As they age more, the rubber gets stiff, the blade edge becomes uneven, and they leave water streaks. Squeaking may also get worse. At this point, they can't be fixed and they need to be replaced as soon as possible. Wiper blades lifespan. As a rule of thumb, wiper blades should be replaced about once a year, but that's just a rough guideline. If you live in a place where temperatures drop below zero, the best time to change them is in spring, when there is no more risk of ice damaging them. Cheap, low-quality blades may only last 6 months, while premium brands can stay effective for up to 2 years if they are properly maintained. In over a decade of working with cars, the best brand I've come across is Michelin, the same company that makes tires. Their wipers often perform better after 1 year than cheap wiper blades do straight out of the box. Bosch would be the second best from the ones I tried. Wiper blade maintenance. There are two main things you can do to keep your wipers in top shape: cleaning and lubricating. Cleaning can be done using your fingers or a damp paper towel. Be gentle to avoid stripping off the lubricant that most blades come with. Clean your wipers anytime you notice streaks, arc-shaped watermarks, or visible dirt stuck to the rubber. Lubrication is useful if your wipers feel dry or start squeaking or skipping. The best way is to remove the blades and apply a small amount of graphite spray to both sides of the rubber, as shown in the video. When to replace wiper blades. If after cleaning and lubricating your wipers still leave water behind or squeak constantly, it's time to replace them. Don't buy the cheapest wiper blades. They are critical safety components, and better quality ones tend to last longer and work better. If you have any questions about wiper blades, drop them in the comments below. If this video helped you, check out my channel for more car tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.